Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please click on the red button to subscribe. I appreciate so much. So today I'll be showing you guys a tool that I came about that I wish I knew when I was starting my channel 2 years ago, because I would have had much growth in terms of views and subscribers on my channel. And I decided, so why not show others, small YouTubers and small YouTubers like me who are trying to grow and have no idea where to start from. So this tool, as you can see, YouTube creators, the big YouTubers, almost all of them, they use this tool. They use it so that they can get higher ranking in the YouTube search, so that when someone is looking for a video, their video will appear first when they search it on YouTube. So I didn't know this when I was creating my channel, because if I knew, I would have used it from the start, from my first video, so that it can give me a higher ranking on YouTube, so that people would click on my video and watch, and convert the viewers into subscribers on my channel. So you get tubebuddy by you type tubebuddy on Google, and then it will direct you to the site. So this site is not free. You could decide to, there are packages that are there that you decide in which one you want to use in terms of the amount of money you want to use on this site. So I decided to take the first package that is offered, to just try it and see if it will work for me and my channel, to see if I will see some growth in it and if I will like using it or not. But I was shocked, because as soon as I started using it, I started getting more views on my channel in in the past 48 hours or so. I was getting more views unlike the previous period. A video I would post, I would get like 100 views in a month, but I was getting like 100 views on a video in a week. A video that would take a whole month to get 100 views, it would get the 100 views in 1 week, which was good for me. So this tool, as you can see, I wanted to show you guys the packages, the pricing. So that is the menu that I'm looking for, and it's going to show you guys. So tubebuddy is your best tool to use if you're a small YouTuber. If you want your channel to blow up, it will help you, it will guide you, it will help you so that you can appear more on the search. And it also gives you keywords that you can use on your titles, so that you get ranked fast when people are looking for videos on YouTube. So these are the packages that they offer, and I took the first one, that is $9. That is, if you're in Kenya, this is 900 per month. You can choose that one, or this is the pro package. And then there is star one, where one is $19 per month if you want to use it. The difference is, as you go higher, there are more tools for you to use to provide more SEO to optimize your video on YouTube. So the higher you go, the more tools you will see, like the ones you're seeing now, like the upload checklist, everything that is included there. You will get it as long as you are as long as you get these packages. So you can see the most expensive one is $49. I did not take that one. I'm taking the cheapest one, the most affordable one. And you can also try it and see if you like this tool. You can see it also has a thumbnail generator, especially if you're using this on a desktop. It will show you very well when uploading your videos. I will show you guys in another video how it helps you to check how your thumbnail is doing, comparing to others that have done the similar videos, how the thumbnails are looking like. Because if you combine this tool to give you the keywords that you can use on your videos, and then you you make very good thumbnails, you combine that hack, you make good thumbnails, and then your title has the best keywords that help you to rank, then people will click on your videos when they see the thumbnail or the title. You can also make the best thumbnails, but also the keywords will help that video to be suggested by YouTube. Because if this video, people get to click on it, the more they click on it, it's called the click-through rate. This is how YouTube determines whether a video is doing well. So the click-through rate tells YouTube whether people are clicking on this video when they see it at first hand. Annie Dubé said that the video is going to be judged by how it performs in like a 24-48 hours after you publish it on YouTube. So you have to have the keywords so that this video can be shown to people, and then they click on it so that it performs best, so that it gets more views, and then YouTube will start promoting the video itself for you without you even doing anything. YouTube will be suggesting this video to other people on the YouTube search page. That is how you see the suggested videos on your when you're scrolling on YouTube. So as when you have purchased these packages, then you can be able to use tubebuddy even on your phone, because mine I'm using on my phone. So you can be able to explore the tags that you are going to use, the keywords that you are going to use on your titles, and the tags to use on your video, so that you can determine which one will do best for you, how it might perform if you use it, and if it will help you to rank best on YouTube. So you can see like the title that I've type there, how to grow on YouTube 2020. It has a very high search rate. So many people are looking for this. They are looking for this information on YouTube. So you can see overall it's telling me that it will perform very good, and there is average competition. So this one, you can use it on your titles to help you reach more people on YouTube that are looking for this information. You can also switch the title a bit, and another thing that I saw people using is that they're using these keywords as the second part of title. Instead of writing this keyword as a title, you first use a first part that is enticing to people, so that you can get them to click on your video. Then you write the keyword as the second part of your title. So I will show you guys how you're supposed to place these keywords in the description box, in the title, and everywhere else, so that you optimize your video to the fullest, and so that YouTube gets your video suggested on YouTube. And this is how you will increase your views and subscribers. And also guys, don't forget to provide valuable content, because when these people click on the video, they are going to come and see if this video is really that good, and why it's being promoted by YouTube, why it's being suggested to them. So yeah, you also have to produce valuable content. But you guys, tubebuddy will help you blow up on YouTube, especially if you're consistent. It will help you to blow up. You can see my real-time views in 48 hours, 400 views. This kept on happening. It kept on increasing. You can see 420. It kept on increasing until I got, I think, to 600 views in 48 hours. It has never happened. You can see my videos, each is getting views all the time. My channel had been dormant all this while, because I wasn't using this tubebuddy to help me make the best titles that viewers will click on when they see this video. Even when they search something that I have done a video on, my video will not even appear in the search box. So how will this people even know about this channel, and even to subscribe, and even to view, you see? So that you can increase your watch time. My videos weren't being suggested, but you can see my views increased to 500 views in 48 hours, guys. This is why I loved this tool. I loved it so much. So I'm still using it, I'm still loving it, I'm still learning more about how to use the features that it gives you, and I'll show you guys in another video on how to place these keywords and everything, and even how it helps you check the SEO of your video, to check whether the title is correct, whether you have placed the keywords everywhere you are supposed to, and whether the thumbnails will perform best as compared to other thumbnails that have been created that are also in the same topic. That's the one you have done that other people have done. So you guys, you can see my watch time also increased because the views have increased. Of course, it will translate into watch time. You guys, this tool will help you to increase the click-through rate, as I told you guys. And YouTube determines that our video is doing well through click-through rate and the watch time. So if you have this tool and use it correctly, and you'll be consistent on YouTube, this tool will help you to grow very fast as a small YouTuber, as a new YouTuber, and even if you've been on YouTube for long but have not been getting the results that you desire. So you guys, instead of creating content and just, dumping it on YouTube with just another title that you don't even know how it's going to perform, you don't even know whether people are searching for it, you can be doing so much work, putting in so much work into video making, but the people are not looking for that specific information that they're putting out, but you don't know. But now using tubebuddy, you can be able to differentiate and determine which topics you're going to concentrate on, because you're going to see how many people are looking for that topic, whether you should do it or not. So that is where tubebuddy comes in. So you guys, I hope this video will help you guys, and if I have told you something that is valuable to you, please don't forget to click on the red button so that I can come back with more videos and give you guys more tips, and I hope you grow your channel as I also grow mine. And yes, we'll get there. We'll get there. We must get there, because everyone is struggling to grow on YouTube. But these tips will help you go a step further and blow up your channel on YouTube. You only need one video to go viral, guys. You only need one video to go viral. And if that doesn't happen, if you keep producing content, putting out content on YouTube, that will also help you to grow. So you also have to be patient. It's not marathon here. We will go step by step. But please, if you want to get this tool, tubebuddy, I will leave a link down below so that you can click on it, and then you'll go and download it so that you can start using it. If you use the link, the amount you pay will be less because it's an affiliate link.